How to downgrade from iOS 18 beta. With the early release of iOS 18 beta, you may be eager to explore new features on your device. However, the beta system won't always work as expected. Fortunately, you could roll back your iPhone to the previous version. Just keep watching to learn 4 ways. Before downgrading, there's one thing important to notice. The downgrading process will erase data on your iPhone. However, backups made with beta software may not work with older iOS version. If this is your case, reconsider downgrading as you may not restore your device successfully. Ensure you know the risk and then watch the 4 options. Option 1, remove iOS beta without computer. This way is only available if you installed the iOS beta directly from your iPhone instead of computer. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and select General. Then tap Software Update at the top of the screen. Tap on Beta Updates, and then tap Off. Option 2, use iTunes or Finder to restore the iPhone. Before launching iTunes, you need to turn off the Find My iPhone feature. In Settings, tap your Apple ID, navigate to Find My, choose Find My iPhone and toggle it off. Next, launch the latest iTunes, connect your iPhone to the computer. Then you will see a device icon, click on it. Now, you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Quickly press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the screen shows the icon of recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, click the Restore option and wait for the process. Option 3, use IPSW without entering recovery mode. If you don't want to put your device into recovery mode, you can go to IPSW Downloads website and download an available IPSW file. Then, in iTunes, press and hold the Alt key and click Restore iPhone. In Finder, you need to press the Option key and click Restore iPhone. Option 4. Use Downgrade tool, Joyoshare UltFix. It's highly recommended because it can seamlessly switch software versions with ease. Only need 3 steps. Keep watching and see how easy it is. Step 1, connect iPhone to Joyoshare UltFix. On the main interface, you need to click Upgrade/Downgrade iOS, followed by iOS Downgrade. Step 2, download firmware package. You can see all the available iOS versions on the interface. Select the version you want and click the download button to download the firmware package. Step 3, downgrade iOS beta. When the firmware has been downloaded successfully, you can click Start Downgrade to restore your iPhone to the previous iOS version. Now, your iPhone is downgraded to the previous version. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching.